So here we are with our shifter assembly from a 2006 Dodge Magnum, and the Chrysler 300 and the Dodge Charger all have these same shifters. What's been happening is there's a little plastic tab right there. It snaps off. All the other videos tell you how to take it all apart and put a new one in, but I'm kind of in a fix right now, so what I did was I just took it apart. I drilled a small pilot hole, and I used the small screw inside there. I just drilled it right in, put the screw in there. It's just a small wood screw, and reattach the spring, and it should work. And you don't have to wait 2 days for shipping. So thanks for watching.